In 2020, I won a reality athletic TV show, took that $200,000,
I'm cruising on the property over here in Tallahassee, Florida.
invested it in a property, 10 acres and 3,500 square foot house in Tallahassee, Florida that my dad and I partnered on. He is the main contractor, and we began renovation work immediately. The property is beautiful just outside of the city limits. We've got a fresh water well that needed to be repaired, so we did an upgrade there. So we've got an independent supply of water. Did a lot of dirt work, landscaping, road work, drainage, good bit of improvement there. This was fun. The big project we added was a new master bathroom. Took an old porch and converted it into a full master bath. It's a beautiful job. My parents, we had fun there, a lot of renovation work. One of the things we did out back was improving the back deck pool patio. Came out pretty nicely. A lot more work than we expected. Got some great wildlife, deer and hawks. Had to do a lot of land clearing and improvements. The biggest project we tackled was the full re-roof, re-shingling job. Had some damage in different parts that we had to fix up and then re-shingle the entire house. That was quite a job, but looks great now. Part of the improvements we did with landscaping was reworking some of our driveway and drainage. And then the last big outdoor project was putting in a septic tank for our new master bath. All right, stay tuned for more.